here's how you can draw or save the outline figures on the iPhone. Let me explain what options we have available. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the most common way how people add outlines is by using the sticker method. So if you have something like a photo of someone in the gallery, you can go inside of the Photos app, make it go full screen, and just select the subject. So you can see that it turns it and just like separates it as such. You can click on add a sticker and it's going to be added to your sticker selection. But we're not done with it because we can always just click on it to add an effect, and one of them is the outline effect. So this creates a very nice look that the picture has a nice white outline for the figures in the photo. So if you had that in mind, that is how you can do this, and it of course works for all of the sticker types. It doesn't necessarily have to be a person, but you can apply it for any type. So that is basically how you could do this. If you meant something completely different, then let me know about it below in the comments. But I really hope that can help you out with it. For now, that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials, only if you stay tuned, of course, so do that, and I'll see you then.